Hey guys, it's Toddy Waddy again here with you today, and I am coming at you all with another Premiere Pro tutorial. This Premiere Pro tutorial is going to be all about animating and moving objects within your videos. This has to do with any type of graphic. It can be text, it can be PNG images, JPEGs, it can even be GIFs. So this is going to be all about animating objects, making them have interesting behaviors so they're not just so boring and just sitting still in your videos. So without any further ado, let's get this started. So to get started, find the image you want to put in there. We're going to go ahead and use this funny troll face. So just go ahead and drag and drop it into your video. And you can see here, just got a plain old image just still there, right? Okay. So to get started, make sure if you just click on the image in the timeline or even on it in the view here, it should bring up your editing panel with the effect controls automatically. If not, go ahead and click on those. And you should see a timeline view of the image here itself. And if not, just click this little arrow and it should uncollapse it and you should be able to see it. And from here, the first thing you need to do is come over here to the left panel and you'll see where it says position, and if you hover your cursor over it, you'll see text come up that says toggle animation, right? And what you want to go ahead and do is click to enable that. And yeah, what this does, this enables animation, so your object that you want to manipulate can do more interesting behaviors rather than just sit there. So, and once you click animate, you should see a little diamond here to the far left in the timeline view. See it right there? And what this is a keyframe. What these keyframes are points in time for reference, telling that object how to behave, what to do, and at what times. So to get started, double click on your object. Go ahead and place it where you want it to start for the animation or movement. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the upper left here. And what you need to do is move across the timeline to a point in time where you want it to move. And once you have that set, go ahead and move your object. And how this is going to work is over that period of time, that's where it's going to move, and it's going to scale time appropriately. See? See that? Okay. And you can do more and more points if you want. So we'll go ahead and make another here. Let's go ahead and do a couple here just to keep it interesting. Okay. So let's go ahead and give this a quick preview. You can see it pretty interesting, moving around pretty quick there. You can see how you can make it move faster or slower to your liking. And we can also do something worth mentioning is you can also do more than just that. You can do some rotations with it or even scaling to make it bigger or smaller. So let's go ahead and show you what we can do with some rotation. So same thing, hover over rotation and toggle animation. And you'll see another diamond appear, right? Let's just make it a little bit longer. Now, we'll go ahead and move it up here. Give it some rotation. And for the last one, we'll just move it off the screen. Alright, so let's see how this all looks. Yep, and that is how you can animate some objects to do some, to make them really do some interesting things. Alright, and by looking at this, you can kind of see how a lot of YouTube channels will use will show a logo in the beginning of their videos. It's kind of easy to see how they would, quickly slide their logo into the middle of the screen, show it for a couple of seconds, and then slide it off right before the start of their main video. So let's just kind of, while we're here, let's just go ahead and kind of show you how that would work and look. let's go ahead and just delete all of our keyframes we got set here. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and shorten this a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. So we just got our plain image here before the video starts. Okay. So we're going to double click on our object. Looks like we still got animation on. There we go. Okay. Go. Give it some rotation. Go ahead and add another keyframe so it can have some time to stay there. And then a quick slide off. And there we go. You can kind of easily see from that there that that's quick and cool way to kind of show a custom logo in your videos before your main content comes on screen on your channel and whatnot. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other technology requests or software tutorials, things you'd like to see, go ahead and drop that down below in the comments or shoot me a message on YouTube or any of my social medias. I'd really love to hear from you guys. And as always guys, if you found this video interesting or helpful, please smash that subscribe button. My goal is to reach at least 1,000 subscribers. That would be absolutely amazing. That would just blow my mind, guys. My goal is just to bring you guys all great quality content. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys have any video requests, go ahead and leave that down there as well. And thank you guys so much for stopping by, and until next time.